Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop, getting ready to talk about our torque arm series for the 1982 to 1992 GM 3rd Gen F body. In this case, I'm in front of the 2214. So this 2214 bracket and torque arm combo fits turbo 350. If you look in the description though, you can see all of the other models that the bracket fits. We have brackets for turbo 350, turbo 400, T5. We can add a drive shaft loop to this if you so desire to meet NHRA requirements. So the torque arm bracket goes under the transmission, and then we divorce the torque arm from the bracket and run it this way. So the heavy duty torque arm attaches like that with some hardware double shear mounts that you'll get in your package. The heavy duty rear bracket attaches to most standard axle assemblies, and you are good to go. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.